In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok on X. Whether you're new to Grok or looking to refine your skills, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in and harness the power of Grok together. First things first, to get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar. Google is our go-to search engine. It's a reliable way to find what we need quickly and efficiently. Once on the home page, you'll see the familiar Google search bar right in the center, ready to help us in our quest. Now, let's type X into that search bar. What we're doing here is essentially initiating our journey into the world of Grok by reaching X's website. As you begin typing, Google may start to suggest some results. These suggestions can often save you a bit of typing, so feel free to click on them if they look right. But for clarity, you should continue typing X in full to ensure accurate results. Once you've hit Enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results related to X. What you'll want to do here is click on the link that leads you directly to the X website. Typically, this would be one of the top results, clearly marked with the name of the site we're discussing. Clicking it will take you directly to the website interface where we'll carry on our adventure. When you find yourself on the X homepage, take a moment to scan the layout. Look below the Messages section for the Grok icon. This icon is crucial as it's essentially the gateway to everything Grok related within X. Spotting the icon might require you to scroll a bit, depending on your screen size and the layout of the page. With the Grok icon in sight, go ahead and give it a click. This is where the fun begins. You'll be transported to the place where Grok really shines, its ability to accept prompts and generate insightful information. Here, you'll have access to a text box where you can type in any queries you have in mind. As an example, let's prompt Grok by asking for a list of the top 10 richest companies in 2025. Feel free to get creative with your prompts, as Grok is designed to handle a wide range of queries and return detailed, useful information. After crafting your prompt, it's time to put Grok to work. Click on the Submit button to send your query into Grok's intelligent system. Within moments, Grok will process the prompt and provide you with the insightful results you're seeking. Each interaction is an opportunity to understand and take advantage of what this tool can offer. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated your way through using Grok on X. Keep experimenting with different prompts to see the full range of what Grok can do. Thanks for watching, and happy grokking!